Oh, there are 7 colored eggs. Let's see what's inside them. Orange egg. What's inside an orange egg?
It's a monkey! Hello, my name is Milf Royale. It's nice to meet you.
Green egg. What's inside the green egg?
It's a frog!
Ribbit, I'm a big bucket brown frog. I don't like me to bait you. You!
Purple egg. What's inside the purple egg?
It's some bubbles! Open the bubbles, see what happens. Open.
Wow, that's good strength. We don't use and decrease it.
That's a whole bubble.
Red egg. I wonder what's inside the red egg.
It's some rockets.
Me. I love a rocket. But a red and say hello. Whoosh! Blue egg. What's inside the blue egg?
It's a helicopter. Wait for me.
Well, use like a helicopter and in the keyboard and on control.
Pink egg. What's inside the pink egg? A starfish.
Hey, what are you gonna do? That surprised me. Yahoo! Yellow egg.
What's inside the yellow egg? It's a turtle.
Well, I missed a little bit to make the shape. I get a little line about the green tail.
There's a lots of true.
Great. I'm not too happy. Another mix. Don't you want to get on way to maze?
That was one turtle. And see you in the surprise eggs.